Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notification from the different government colleges under the state government guys, and it will be the really good news to the candidates who qualified the UGC NET or the state eligibility test. Of course the vacancies are few are there, okay, and once if you selected for this post and the maximum salary up to 50,000 rupees per month you are going to get. And after watching this video, please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation, okay, for working as a faculty in the government colleges, okay. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the government of Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institution Society Gurukulam. So from this one here we got a few notifications guys, okay, a few latest notifications are there, and out of this one you may check down the TTWR Armed Forces Preparatory Academy Ashok Nagar degree first year, okay, faculty recruitments were there, okay. So if you click on that one and then you will be directed to this web page guys. So you may check down the prospectus. One is Fine Arts Academy Sirsilla part-time faculty recruitment, and second one is prospectus regarding the TTWR Armed Forces Preparatory Academy Ashok Nagar part-time faculty recruitment for the academic year 2021 to 22. So here you may check down the payment start and ending date is 15th May 2021 to 15th June 2021, and the application starting and the closing date is 15th May 2021 to 15th June 2021. And here you may check down the last date is extended up to 15th June 2021, okay, that means still 15 more days are there. So whoever the candidates eligible for this post, okay, just try to apply today itself. And if you are having any queries regarding this online application form, or else if you are facing any some technical issues, here the mail ID is also provided, okay, you may check down guys, okay. So please put your mail, query to this provide mail ID, okay, and we will see the notification, okay. Just click on this one. Here the Fine Arts Academy part-time faculty as well as Preparatory Academy College, both these two recruitments are there, okay. First we will see the Armed Forces Preparatory Academy recruitment notification guys, and then we will go to the another one. So here you may check down the recruitment of part-time guest faculty. So TTWREI Society is inviting the online applications from interested eligible candidates for engaging as part-time guest faculty Ashok Nagar Warangal Rural District. The interested candidates can view the detailed notification and a vacancy position, okay, and the online application process starts from 15th May 2021. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the toll-free number is also provided. You may contact this toll-free number guys. And coming to the notification for the post of part-time guest faculty to work at TTWR Armed Force Preparatory Degree College Ashok Nagar. So here the subjects you may check down: part-time guest faculty in Telugu, mathematics, physics, chemistry, history, economics and political science, English and arithmetic and reasoning, as well as general studies, okay. So these are the different subjects guys, and you may check down. Even though if you are a fresher, no problem, you may apply. That means you are a fresher and cleared the set or net, okay, or else if you are having the PhD also fine, okay, set or net or PhD in Telugu, you may apply for this one. The experience desirable is given as a 4 years of experience. It is a desirable, they did not mention the essential experience. If you are having this one or else not having this one also fine, okay, apply guys. And the honorarium is 30,000 rupees per month. So like that in all the mathematics and physics and chemistry and history, economics and political science and English, up to English they maintain the same thing, okay, 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to the arithmetic and reasoning, MSc Maths, set or net or PhD with relevant experience. That means they are asking some experience here, mandatory, and it is a desirable, okay, 50,000 rupees per month you will get. And while coming to the general studies, post graduation in social studies subject with set or net or PhD with relevant experience, 4 years, 50,000 rupees per month you will get. And for each and every department, one post is there guys, okay. So total 10 number of vacancies are there. and the candidates are required to visit this official website. Anyhow, I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video, and I will show you how to go to the online application form. And the candidates are supposed to fill the online application form from 15th May 2021, and the fee is 500 rupees is the fee. So commencement date of receiving applications is 15th May 2021. The last date for applying through online is 31st May 2021. Okay, but don't get hurry, guys. Here they clearly mentioned that the last date is extended up to 15th June 2021. Okay, but if you are watching this video today and if you are interested and eligible, then try to apply today itself, guys. Okay, don't wait. And the certificate verification and further process of selection will be intimated in due course of time. Okay, that means the selection process is not mentioned here. I mean, whether the written test or else the interview or else the direct selection, okay, they did not mention. But here in the option C, they stated that certificate verification and further process of selection will be intimated. Okay, so we don't know exactly whether they will directly call for the certificate verification. Okay, that means they are going to select few candidates and directly call for the certificate verification. We don't know exactly what is the procedure. So if you need any clarification, then here the toll-free number is provided. Okay, you may contact to that number, guys. Okay, so utilize the opportunity, the candidates who are having the NET qualification in these subjects. Okay, and if you are having the set qualification from the Telangana state, okay, then you may apply for this one. And while coming to the second notification, as I told that Fine Arts Academy Sirsilla part-time faculty recruitment. Okay, so click on this one, and then you will be directed to the detailed notification regarding this one, guys. Okay, so applications are invited from the qualified and experienced men or women faculty in the subject of fashion design, interior design and photography to teach at UG level, to work at TTWR College of Design, Sirsilla. Okay, and for this one also the last date is extended. Okay, that you may check down. The last date is extended up to 15th June 2021. Okay, so no problem here, the time is there. But please try to apply as early as possible if you belongs to these departments and the eligible qualifications are there, and if you are interested. The name of the post, director honorary part-time. So master in design or else the PhD, minimum 5 years of, it is a desirable experience, guys. It is not mandatory. So 60,000 rupees per month. Part-time faculty in the fashion design, masters in fashion design or else fashion technology or else a bachelor also, it's fine. So 30,000 rupees per month you will get. And the part-time faculty in interior design, bachelor's or the master degree, 30,000. Part-time faculty in photography, bachelor's or master's degree, 30,000. Part-time faculty in computer science, MCA or MTech in CSC or IT or equivalent, should be able to teach AutoCAD, Corel Draw and graphic design, sketch, etc. So 30,000 rupees per month you will get. Fine. So these are the Fine Arts College, degree college vacancies, guys. Okay, from Sirsilla. So if you are having these eligible conditions and if you are interested, then you may apply. And the remaining details are as usual, guys. Okay, as usual, just we saw in the previous notification. It is the contact number. Okay, so if you are having any queries, you may contact this toll-free number, guys. Okay, so finally these are the details from the Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institution Society from Government of Telangana. Okay, so here the opportunities are there for the UGC NET or the set qualified candidates. Okay, and here the opportunities are also there for the only master's degree or the bachelor's degree candidates. Okay, so please share this video. I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, and having these qualifications, it will be very helpful to them, guys. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.